Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. If you've been subscribed to my channel, then welcome back. Today I have several exciting things that I want to share with you guys, and it's not only, of course, the Chanel unboxing, which is obviously the most exciting. I actually also wanted to share with you guys what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing this gorgeous poplin shirt, which comes with shorts, which I'll also show you guys a little quick like try on look and how it looks on me, and what I'm wearing. I will show you guys like a head to toe. But why I wanted to share what I'm wearing is because it's from my online boutique called Marina Odin, and it has been inspired by all of you guys and what I've been doing here on YouTube, Instagram, and just in general with the creative work I've been doing with fashion. And of course, I love my handbags and shoes. But when it comes down to clothes, I'm very passionate about it because I still haven't found a boutique that caters to all women with every lifestyle. When I was creating Marina Odin, I decided that it was going to be curated for all women, a luxe, effortlessly chic wardrobe for every lifestyle. That was my goal, and I'm glad I finally reached it, and I'm happy to share it with you guys. I still haven't done a specific video for my launch or anything like that, but here I am sharing it with you guys, and I will also show you guys this gorgeous set that I'm wearing. This is the poplin shirt and shorts set. They're very comfy. I'm wearing a size small. I also paired it with cute chunky Birkenstock style buckle sandals, which we also carry on Marina Odin. Check them out. This is what I'm wearing today, guys. And of course you can shop and find these at marinaodin.com. You want to wear stuff that looks cute but is comfortable. I think that's where we're going with fashion, but I also don't want us to just be like, you know, super chillin' and sweats. So I just wanted to bring some chicness. So it's all about that, guys. I will put my link below. So again, it's marinaodin.com. Check it out. Comment down below. Let me know if you guys have any questions, if you guys want me to do like a video. Anyways, I don't want to make this video way too long, but stay tuned because we have a super, I mean, like this for me is an exciting unboxing for Chanel because number one, I've never had anything like this from Chanel, and I definitely think it's a desirable piece. I'm not gonna say a must have because I feel like you don't necessarily have to have Chanel exactly of that piece. You can find other pieces that look like it, but of course this for me is just iconic. Number one, it's Chanel. I'm really excited because it's like the perfect timing because it's spring and summer. So it's a perfect piece for spring and summer. That I definitely have to say. But also, did you guys wonder what I'm wearing on my lips? How effortlessly minimal like look this is on my lips. But if you guys were wondering, I wanted to share with you guys a brand called Merit, which I've worked with them before. They've been just so kind to give me their new signature lip colors, and they come in just gorgeous shades. And I love the fact that they're all minimal and just classic colors. And just fun too. Like this one, for example, is called Le Avenue, what I'm wearing. It's super natural color. Sorry, I've already used it, so excuse that. But I will also like insert a little clip. So the one I'm wearing is called Le Avenue, and then this one is a darker shade. Very gorgeous. The quality of these lipsticks are amazing, and I don't know, I literally adore the packaging. It's just so classic, guys. So thank you, Merit, for gifting me these to try out. They actually came out today, and the whole thing behind Merit is that they're a clean beauty line and minimalist beauty and makeup looks, which is of course all me. I'm Mrs. Minimal look, but look chic and gorgeous. I just think it's just so tasteful, and it will never go out of style, guys. We can follow all the trends and it's all fun, but you know, classic stays classic. So that's another reason why I adore their brand. So thank you guys for that. Now, are we ready for this Chanel unboxing? I don't want to say like unboxing because I kind of like I unboxed it already, sorry to say. So if you guys are new to my channel, what I've been doing is I've been unboxing my handbags, shoes, on TikTok and Instagram as well. And what I'll do here is like do a little unboxing with you guys, but I kind of do a more in-depth and detailed unboxing on those platforms. So if you guys want to go ahead and check those out, I will also link my TikTok and Instagram links below. And also forgot to mention for Merit, I will also link their link below as well. For those of you who are Chanel lovers and collectors like me and appreciate Chanel, I'm not going to say addict because that's like taking it a little too far for me, but you guys will already know from the box what this is. Are you guys ready? Actually, you know what? I don't know the actual name, so I'm just gonna say these are shoes and they're one of the most wanted sandals. And shall we? Okay, I'll try to do my best to kind of show you guys the whole thing. Comes with a little care booklet, which is really nice. I don't know if I'll ever be reading these things, but if I do need to maybe repair it, it might come in handy. And then of course it comes with 2 beautiful dust bags for the shoes. So I said they are summer and spring. They are sandals. Can you guys guess which sandals these are? They're chunky. They're gorgeous, and you know, it's not everybody's cup of tea, for sure. It's like that awkward nice. All right, a little sneak peek. Take a look at that, guys. Let's hope this box gets balances. Let's take this out so you guys can see the whole thing. So when I saw this initially, I had many questions. So this is, I think they call it the dad sandal, the chunky sandal, whatever it is. It has now become a part of the Chanel family, and I think it is definitely here to stay. But when I saw this version, I was like, this is the ultimate summer look in my opinion. By the way, guys, I'm gonna take out the other pair as well so that we get the whole unboxing feel. I like the way they packaged it. They packaged it very nice. Actually, my husband ordered these for me for Valentine's Day. So it was a Valentine's Day gift. A beautiful surprise, by the way. I, you know, do sometimes share my interests in some of the pieces from Chanel, and my husband is one of those people who will kind of listen to me. He won't really say much, and then here and there, you know, he'll surprise me with some of the pieces that are on my wish list. Grateful for that. Very nice of him and kind of him to surprise me. The materials used on the sandal, it's a mesh calfskin patent leather detailing on the top area. For the inner layer, it is made out of straws. So hear me out here, okay? And I feel like this is like a little like shoelace kind of material. And the bottom here, so I haven't worn it yet. I've only tried it on at home. I love how the bottom heel has like a little CC logo there. And then of course the Chanel pattern on the bottom sole. And this one is made in Italy. And I love how the print here is nicely done. Everything is just very, very tasteful when it comes down to these sandals. They, in my opinion, are so much more chic than any of the other ones that I've seen come out. And I love that it's mesh, and I love actually that they are made out of straws, because for summertime, you kind of want shoes that are going to be lightweight and comfortable. And with the leather ones that I had tried before, the full leather ones, I mean, they were super heavy, that's one. And two, they just didn't seem to fully feel like a summer shoe. And I feel like, yes, for like, you know, nighttime, you can wear it in the summer, and even probably for the daytime, but for me, they just seemed a little heavy. Now, hear me out though. I did kind of feel worried that this was straws, like how well could it have, you know, could it be made? And this right here, I was like, hopefully there's like no real separation or openings. And to be honest with you guys, They made it really well, and when I wear it, it's super soft. It's almost like I'm walking on airbags. Like, it's just amazing. I didn't think this was gonna be this lightweight. I mean, I just thought it would be the same as the other ones, and I just love that touch of the patent leather, and then the writing here, and the CCs here, and of course there are Velcro openings where you can like adjust the sizing and how like wide or tight you want it to be, and then on the back as well. To be honest, super comfortable. The size wasn't extremely confusing as I would say it would be for their other shoes. I purchased a size 38.5, and I think it's amazing. It's on point. It's just perfect. I'll try them on for you guys, of course, and I'll show you guys like a little clip of me wearing them and how I styled it, of course, with our beautiful poplin shirt and short set from Marina Odin. I will show you guys how I styled it and like how I wear it with a bag. So yeah, this for me was like, I can wear it with everything and anything. It screams classic, chic, summer, spring, and I love all the details, even here, like how it's holding everything together. Every little detail really was taken care of on this one. It's just ultimately chic. I'm not sure if we'll be seeing this again. I feel like it's a very unique one in my opinion, and very much like, I feel like it just reminds me of like vintage Chanel. And when I see these kind of pieces that have like the classic look to them, but also have a very modern touch to it, I absolutely love it. So I've, you know, always had them on my mind, these dad sandals or chunky sandals, whatever you want to call them. And I guess there you go. I didn't really finally pull the trigger, but my husband did on purchasing these shoes, and I'm so happy he did, because I think these will definitely go a long way in my closet. I can see myself wearing it with dresses, skirts, shorts, I mean, you name it, shirt, dresses, everything that you can think and imagine to wear this summer. These shoes, they'll go phenomenal with it. I just think even with my bags, when I thought about it, like a lot of my bags will match it and they'll go well with it. It's not like a pair of shoes that you're like, oh, well, I'll go with like 2 or 3 outfits. I mean, it's really worth spending the money on it. Definitely happy to have them in my closet. But, you know, I'll always update you guys on the long run, like how I feel and how it's fitting me. But overall, I even walked with this at my house. I was like, I need to double check before I, you know, move forward, because when you're especially like going for summer shoes or sandals, like you really want to make sure the comfort is there. And if your feet happen to swell, or, you know, when it's really hot and you're walking a lot, like you just want to make sure it's not hurting any part of your foot or harming it or damaging. So these type of shoes for the summertime are very important to me. I'm not a girl who likes to, you know, push myself in the summertime especially, and I love chill wear, if you guys know, especially even with my like with my Hermes sandals. They're kind of like the dad style as well. And then I've also had the Fendi. So I kind of have like a trend of loving these type of chunky and wider fit sandals and slides for the summer. I mean, I can't get over it. I'm sorry if I keep like showing it to you guys, but just another moment. And I love the Chanel writing. And to be honest, it's very subtle. It's not like super in your face like Chanel. It's very subtle. It's a very classy, chic pair. So I think it'll be easy to take care of. I'm not too worried about the straws because, like I said, again, very well made. And if anything, I'm sure Chanel will take care of it. At least let's hope and cross our fingers. Okay, so what I'll go ahead and do is I am going to try these on for you guys. And I'm also thinking of doing like a little haul of all the Marina Odin cool sets that we have, beautiful chic sets that we have for spring and summer. Just doing a little haul with all my favorite designer shoes and pieces that I see myself styling these type of outfits with. Okay, shall we just go ahead and show you guys how this is and the full outfit?
Give me some of that sugar, that'll make you sweet.
Okay guys, so this is how I styled it. I'm wearing my gorgeous Chanel bucket bag, and then of course I styled it with our poplin shorts set that you can find on Marina Odin, and here they are. Our gorgeous chunky Chanel sandals. All right, my loves, it's time to wrap up this video. If you guys made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and all the exciting things that I shared in this video, and of course, the gorgeous Chanel shoes. Okay guys, thank you so much. I will see you guys soon. Love you all. Mwah. Bye-bye.